Home security is something that concerns us all. But what goes on at your home when you're not there?
Don't even think about it. You need to leave.
Introducing Floodlight Cam by Ring, a motion-activated security camera that puts HD video, automated recording, and a powerful alarm in your hands. Floodlight Cam is the ultimate in proactive home security. A 140-degree HD camera detects motion and captures video with two-way talk. And two high-beam LED smart lights illuminate every corner of your home for optimal video quality. You can easily customize Ring's advanced motion detection so you only get notified when it matters. Available in 2 weatherproof finishes, Floodlight Cam is easy to install on any home and integrates with a variety of smart technologies. Floodlight Cam is smart enough to recognize faces and objects.
Hey girls.
Hi, Dad.
And works with your other Ring cameras
Oh, hey, can you remember to bring the trash cans in when you get home?
to create a ring of security around your home. Day or night, Floodlight Cam watches over your home and keeps you in the know. See security in a whole new light. Floodlight Cam by Ring.
Hey everyone, my name is Eddie and I'm with the Nest Pro training team. Thanks for joining us for this video. Our topic for this one is Nest Cam Indoor, our indoor home monitoring camera. And we're here to take a quick look at how it works and what makes it unique. And our hope is when we're done, you'll see the value of this product and the potential it can bring to your business. You might be aware that we also offer an outdoor version of this camera. While there is a lot in common between these two cameras, that one warrants its own video and we'll cover it separately. Okay, let's jump in. With Nest Cam, there's a long list of opportunities for you and your business. For your customers, Nest Cam can serve as a baby cam or kid cam, or to keep an eye on the nanny or babysitter. It can also be used as a pet cam. People love their pets and Nest Cam provides them a way to check on their pets when they're away from the home. It's also a great grandpa or grandma cam, a great way to check on elderly family members. From a business perspective, Nest Cam can be used to keep an eye on the front of the store or the back office, and in cases where they're present, Nest Cam is a great way to safeguard that valuable inventory by keeping an eye on the warehouse. In a nutshell, Nest Cam allows your customers to see their home or business on their connected device. That could be a smartphone, a tablet, or a laptop, so they know what's happening there while they're away. But there's obviously much more to it than that. Your customers can check in anytime from anywhere and live stream video. They can also set Nest Cam up to alert them when there's either movement or sound or both, and know immediately that there's something going on at their home or place of business.
Wherever you are and whenever it is, wouldn't it be nice to check in at home? Welcome to Links. If you have Wi-Fi and a few minutes for the simple camera setup, you'll be on your way to advanced security monitoring and peace of mind like never before. With real-time HD video streaming to your mobile device, you can check in on your little ones or see what your furry friends are up to. Keep track of who's coming and going with our innovative facial recognition. When our smart technology detects movement, you'll get an instant alert. Links, the easiest way to tend to what matters most.
Did you ever hear that saying, moms have eyes in the back of their heads? Well, as nice as that would be, I still couldn't get it done without the help of Argus, the world's first wire-free HD smart security camera. I mean, with 2 kids and a husband that can count as a third, I need eyes everywhere and at all times. Something that can be my eyes and ears when I'm away, so I can virtually keep my eyes here, here, and even here.
Hello. Please leave the package by the door. Thanks.
I'm pretty much the most powerful being in the universe. I can even make cookies disappear. But now I have a new arch nemesis. Mom calls her new futuristic sidekick Argus. At first there was just one, now they've multiplied. And with the two-way audio capability...
What are you doing?
is officially ruining my cover.
All I want is a better sense of security for my family and home. Is that too much to ask? I just want my family to be safe and secure. I'm not worried though. They'll warm up to it. Don't even think about it.
I'm 14 now, almost 15. I'm practically an adult. I'll be driving soon. I never had issues with sneaking out until my mom got these stupid cameras. I get caught one time and now we have night vision cameras? Really, Mom? I just want to go out with my friends and not have a curfew. Is that too much to ask? And now they can see me in the dark?
You're grounded.
Why are they trying to ruin my life? Oh!
Look, I ain't trying to ruin anybody's life here, all right? I'm not a bad guy, all right? Honest, I swear on my Nana's grave. But we've all got a job to do, right? I mean, it's just business. Most cameras are easy to evade, but I couldn't get close because of the motion sensors. I mean, I barely made it on the steps before I had to hightail it out of there. Oh, it's time to go already?
Hi, this is the Oco 2, a simple home monitoring camera. When you're away from your pooch or your baby or the grandpiece, how can you check up on them? Meet Oco 2. It's gonna make the world a better place and all that kind of stuff. Oco 2, your hunch is right. Oco 1 exists and is already on sale, but the wheels of progress never stop turning. The Oco 2 is a self-learning full HD camera with hybrid storage. One of a kind. An SD card will be useful in case your internet connection gets lost. And cloud storage in case thieves want to steal your Oco 2. And they will want to steal it. Self-learning is always good, but with the Oco 2, it's amazing. Amazing! And I feel a bit sorry about the $200 cameras that you buy, and after 3 days, you're sick of all the fake notifications every time a car passes by or tree swaying, every light blinking. Self-learning is always good. Our AI understands that you don't want to be inundated with endless notifications, only smart push notifications. By the way, what's that guy doing in your kitchen? 60-second setup. A magic magnetic base that you can fix to your wall and point in any direction you want. Yeah, even there. Widest viewing angle, night vision, and of course, two-way talk. I love you.
I love you too.
Aww. The fact is, these days, big corporations know more about you than your own mother does. They know all your search history and habits. Do you really need a camera that's finding out even more about you? We're just as concerned about security as you are. Amazing. Monthly payments, be aware, is $100 a year. No monthly payments required, ever. That's how we roll. The Oco 2 is powered by the incredible iVidian app, which has outdone all other video surveillance services for the last 6 years.
Hi, I'm Zach from iSmartAlarm. For the last 3 years, we've been a leader in smart home security, and we know you have concerns when it comes to smart home technology. It's complicated, inflexible, and confusing. And in the end, it all just costs too much. We've created a camera that solves all of these problems. Meet Spot. Spot is more than just your average security camera. It's the future of smart home automation.
Spot is packed with all the features you'd expect in a smart home camera. Night vision, HD resolution, motion and sound detection, push notification alerts, cloud and local video storage, and we've even brought new innovative features to the market to truly separate Spot from the competition.
When we designed Spot, we wanted to be more than a security camera. In addition to preventing burglaries, we want Spot to work with your existing smoke and carbon monoxide alarms. Spot recognizes these alarms using our pattern panning algorithm and notifies you immediately of the dangers. From there, you can use Spot to see what's going on and take action if needed.
For years, we've focused on the ease and control of DIY monitoring. Spot continues this trend from the moment it's taken out of the package.
Received Wi-Fi information. Connecting to Wi-Fi.
A lot happens at your front door. With a Ring Video Doorbell, you'll never miss a visitor.
Hi, Shelly. You home?
You know what? I'm at the store. I'll be there in like 10 minutes.
Hello?
Oh, hey, thought I missed you. Got a couple packages for you.
Oh, great. Can you put them around back, please?
Anytime, from anywhere, Ring keeps you connected to the things that matter most.
Hi, Mom.
Hey, you guys. Text me what you want for dinner.
Okay.
home security starts at your front door. The Ring Video Doorbell features HD video, two-way talk, and customizable motion detection, which alerts you when anyone steps onto your property.
Hi there, what can I do for you?
Is this 217 Pine Street?
No, I think you're in the wrong place.
Sorry.
Ring puts home security in your hands and makes it easy to watch over your property.